In this video, I will guide you through the steps on how to switch from a private Instagram account to a business account. Step 1. Access your settings. You log into your Instagram account and you navigate to your profile page. Tap the gear icon. Step 2. In the settings menu, you now select Settings and Privacy. You scroll through the menu and find the option labeled Account Type and Tools. Step 3. Select the option to switch your account type. Choose to switch from a private account to a business account. Review what having a business account entails. Step 4. Finalize the setup. Select a category that best describes your business or purpose. Confirm the switch and your account will now be set to a business account. You've successfully switched to a business account, unlocking additional tools and features to help you grow and manage your presence on Instagram.